Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, feel the ground beneath you. Let's wake the body gently, one breath at a time. Morning light is shining bright, filling every breath with light. Lift your hands up to the sky, watch your spirit gently rise. Roll your shoulders nice and slow, feel your peaceful energy grow. Every movement soft and free, bringing calm inside of me. Inhale peace, exhale slow, feel your inner balance grow. Every breath, every smile makes this moment so worthwhile. Breathe in sunshine, breathe out peace. Let your busy thoughts release. Stretch with kindness, move with grace. Find your happy, quiet place. Morning yoga, calm and bright, filling every heart with light. Strong and peaceful, wild and free. This is where I'm meant to be. Turn your head from side to side, let your breathing be your guide. Open arms and gently sway, welcome to a brighter day. Lift your knees and point your toes, feel how gentle movement flows. Every stretch helps me renew, every breath feels fresh and new. Take your time, there's no race. Find your own relaxing pace. Every heartbeat soft and true brings new strength inside of you. Breathe in sunshine, breathe out peace. Let your busy thoughts release. Stretch with kindness, move with grace. Find your happy, quiet place. Morning yoga, calm and bright, filling every heart with light. Strong and peaceful, free to be, living in harmony. Raise your hands and touch the sky, watch the little clouds drift by. Feel the morning all around, peace is waiting to be found. Every breath becomes a song, helping body move along. One more smile and one more breath, welcome every joyful step. Breathe in sunshine, breathe out peace. Feel your happiness increase. Every morning starts this way, bringing joy into the day. Strong and steady, calm and free.